This little guy is about to fight one of the deadliest snakes on the planet. And the crazy part is, he's probably going to win. This is the mongoose, the legendary snake killer made famous in stories like Rikki-tikki-tavi. But its ability to win these epic battles isn't just about being fast. They have a biological cheat code that makes deadly snake venom almost useless against them, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. The classic showdown is between the Indian gray mongoose and a king cobra. The cobra is bigger, stronger, and has enough venom in one bite to kill an elephant. On paper, the mongoose stands no chance, but the mongoose has a couple of secret weapons. The first one is obvious: speed. A mongoose's reflexes are insane. They are so fast and agile that they can dodge a snake's strike, which is one of the fastest movements in nature. They don't just run in and bite. They dance around the snake, tiring it out, making it strike again and again until it's exhausted. They also have thick, coarse fur. Sometimes when the snake strikes, its fangs get caught in the fur and don't even break the skin. But their main weapon, their biological cheat code, is deep inside their body at a microscopic level. Here's how it works. The venom from a cobra is a neurotoxin. Its job is to paralyze the victim. To do this, the venom needs to attach to something in the muscles called an acetylcholine receptor. Think of the venom as a key and the receptor as a lock. When the venom key fits into the muscle lock, it turns it and shuts the muscle down. That's how the paralysis happens. But scientists discovered that the mongoose has different locks. Their acetylcholine receptors have a different shape. So when the cobra's venom key tries to get into the lock, it doesn't fit. It just bounces off without doing any damage. This makes the mongoose highly resistant to the venom. Now, they aren't totally immune. If a cobra gets a really good bite and injects a huge amount of venom, it could still kill a mongoose, but most of the time, the mongoose just shakes it off. So, if they're these perfect snake-killing machines, why don't we have them everywhere to get rid of pests? That sounds like a great idea, right? Well, we tried that, and it turned into a complete disaster. In the late 1800s, people decided to introduce mongooses to places like Hawaii and islands in the Caribbean to control the rat populations in the sugarcane fields. It seemed like a brilliant idea. The problem was, nobody did their homework. They missed one very important detail. Mongooses are mostly active during the day, and the rats they were supposed to hunt are mostly active at night. The two animals almost never even saw each other. So the mongooses got hungry, and they started eating everything else they could find. They ate the eggs and chicks of native birds that nested on the ground. They ate native lizards, native snakes, and even baby sea turtles. These islands had unique animals that existed nowhere else in the world, and they had never faced a predator this fast and this smart. The mongoose completely destroyed these fragile ecosystems. They are blamed for driving several species to complete extinction. That's why today, it is totally illegal to own or import a mongoose into countries like the United States or Australia. They are considered one of the world's most destructive invasive species. But it's important to remember that they aren't evil. They were just doing what they do best, survive. And there's another side to them that has nothing to do with fighting snakes. Many mongoose species, like the banded mongoose in Africa, are incredibly social. They live in big family groups of up to 40 individuals. They work together to hunt for insects and small animals, and they have lookouts that watch for predators like eagles. They even have a buddy system where an adult mongoose will act as a mentor for a pup, protecting it and teaching it how to find food. It shows a smart, cooperative side to an animal that's mostly known as a solo warrior. So, to wrap it all up, the mongoose can defeat a cobra by using its lightning speed and a special mutation in its cells that stops venom from working. But this amazing survivor became an ecological nightmare when humans moved it to the wrong place. And deep down, they're more than just snake fighters, they're complex social animals that take care of each other. If you want to learn the secrets of more incredible animal survivors, make sure to subscribe.